Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will actually show you Grok has released its latest version, which is 4.5, and today itself they announced that it is free and unlimited at this moment of time. Today is 17th of July. It is completely free and unlimited. I have completely tried this build out professional full stack coding application. So now to install this, it's quite easy. I've already installed it in my Windows. The instructions are quite simple. Once you go to their official website x.ai, this is a simple command. Open your PowerShell, simply copy to clipboard this command, and for installing this just open your Windows PowerShell and just paste this command and just execute this. So it will be just 132 megabytes and it will install this. After that, just open a terminal window, and it will just, if you're running this for the very first time, simply type Grok and it will complete the authorization. After that, the interface will look something like this. So as you can see right here, Grok 4.5 is here. Try out for free for a limited time, but this is really powerful because they are offering it free and unlimited for a limited time. After that, they will upgrade for more usage. So right here, you can ask any kind of question. Let's suppose I say hi, it will respond to me. So this is the context window. As you see, we get this 500,000 context window. Here you can ask any kind of question. So I can simply say here top 10 frameworks of Node.js. So I'm just trying it with a free account. I haven't enrolled in any kind of uh, subscription. So as you can see right here, you just need to allow the permission. So it will actually research the entire internet and give you the top 10 frameworks directly inside your terminal. So it's really fast, it's very effective, it will save you a lot of time. Now when it comes to application building, let's suppose I simply give instruction, build a image to PDF web app in browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Create the necessary files. So right here we simply written a prompt here, and now the Grok AI will start preparing the application for us. So this is my directory. As you see, uh, it's currently empty, but as soon as it actually analyze your directory, so it will now create a polished image to PDF web app with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here you can list out any framework. It can be React, Angular, PHP, C Sharp, C++. Just mention which language you want to make the application in. I simply want a image to PDF web app. So I'm just showing you how much time it takes. It's really effective. I built out so many applications using this. So don't waste any time. Simply go to Grok, install this terminal agent, coding agent, and just enjoy this free unlimited access that they are giving you with Grok 4.15, which is the latest version. The installation is quite simple. After that, you simply type the prompt, and after that, it will create the application for you. So right here it exactly tells you. So it created the actual application. As you can see, it also generate a short little description related to the application. So all the files have been successfully generated. As you see right here, this is the JavaScript file, this is your index.html file. These three files are successfully generated. This is your readme file as well. The file just providing you description related to the application. So everything is automatically generated. This is your CSS file. And if I try to open this to actually see the application, so you will see a professional looking application will be there. So you will see that this is your image to PDF application that we built using this Grok. So from here you select your a bunch of images. So from here you can adjust the settings of the PDF and click on download PDF. So all the images will be converted to PDF, and that PDF file will be downloaded. So in this easy way, you can build out any application. Let's suppose I want to create a full stack application. So I will simply say build a full stack Angular PDF editor in browser, create all the files. So right here we are building out a full stack Angular PDF editor in browser, create all the files. So this is a really powerful application in Angular. So let me show you how much time it took to create this application. So as you see, we are building the application. We are not getting any kind of notice for subscription because at this moment, recently it is released Grok 4.5. So they are providing free and unlimited access. So that's why this is a perfect time to try this and also create applications using this. And now you can see that it is actually listing out the directories. The task is started. First of all, it will check if Node.js installed, npm installed, Angular CLI versions. Everything is happening in the background. It's a fully fledged coding agent. It's executing the commands in the background. So you don't need to do anything. Simply type the prompt and just wait for the task to get completed. And once the task get complete, you will get the notification. And as you see, it's very similar to Claude, GPT, all the terminal coding agents. But I find this very effective in terms of speed as I used them all the agents, but I found this Grok 4.5 little bit faster as compared to other coding agents. So as you see, it created that directory here, PDF editor, and now it is creating the Angular client config. And so as you see, this created the server directory. All the It will create this is your upload folder where all the upload files will come. It's a full stack coding application. It's creating in Angular, so you can create any kind of application using this terminal coding agent, which is free and unlimited at this moment of time. So as you see, it's creating every file by file. Then it will create the models, services, and components. It is going step by step. So the working is very similar to other agents. They actually think, then create the files, and then create the description after it creates the application. So now it will create the UI components. It also gives you a short description what it is doing so that you actually see in which directory they are working. So now they are working in the client directory, as you see. So now this is your services models folder. So in the components, so if you create this project by your own, this would took a lot of time. But using this terminal coding agent, it just built in a matter of minutes. It's a very complicated application, PDF editor in Angular, so it will save you a lot of time. As you see, this is your toolbar component, the CSS file, the HTML file. This is your TypeScript file. So this is your model, the services, everything is created automatically for you. So if you have an existing project as well that you want to debug and find errors and fix it, that also you can do. Just open the directory in which your project is located and then open this Grok terminal coding agent and then simply provide the prompt or what errors that you are facing, and it will instantly fix the mistakes. I have already done that, and it so don't waste any time. Just after watching this video, just install this inside your machine and start using it because it doesn't cost you any money. It's free and unlimited. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment on this video whether you like this agent or not. But I personally just enjoying this because it's completely free and unlimited, and It doesn't cost you any money. So these are the context window that you get, 500,000 context window, which is more than enough. As you see, we only consumed 72,000. So now it is installing the dependencies and just building out your entire application. This will just take 2 minutes to fully complete, and then you can run your Angular application locally. So I think if you have an idea, you simply type this in the prompt, and this terminal coding agent will simply build out your entire application in a matter of minutes. So if you're not a programmer, then you simply assign the job to this agent and it will build out the entire application for you. So you can see that we build out this PDF edit, image to PDF application, then we build out this PDF editor. It automatically fixes the mistakes as well. If any file contains the red box that you see, it automatically fixes it. So just wait it to fully complete. So I'm just showing you the entire process from installation to creating full stack coding applications. So this is a complex application. That's why taking it more time to create this, because it's inside a certain framework, Angular full stack coding application. So that's why it's creating taking it too much time. So once it completes, you will get a notification. So as you see right here, this is your tsconfig.json file. So definitely try this. As you see, after some time they will actually be enrolling it inside the subscription. So you have limited time to try this free and unlimited thing which is going on. So definitely do this, and thank you very much for watching this video.